Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2020 Scout 355 LXF. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. Boat's 35 foot, 10 foot 9 inch beam, and has a weight of just under 12,000 pounds, boat and motors. Speaking of motors, you see this boat is equipped with the triple 350 Verados. On the transom, we have the synthetic teak. Gives it a nice look as well as great function, great traction when you're climbing in and out of the boat. So now we're in the cockpit of the 355. A couple of features to point out. You have a really nice walk-through transom, closes up out of way when not in use. For security, you have a big live well. You also have rear fold-down seat, fish boxes, port and starboard in the bilge. Really nice clean bilge. Everything's very accessible. Your through hulls, your pumps, very nicely laid out, all finished. You got an aft facing seat. Underneath can be used as a cooler, can be used as a fish box, very multi-purpose. As we step up along the starboard side, one thing really neat about this boat that Scout integrated was a nice little storage system. You can hang your dock lines, your gaff, your fishing supplies, your boat wash supplies. Nice little way to get everything out of sight. As we move over to the helm, one of the great features on the Scout is the clean dash. As you see, you've got your triple Garmin display. Everything's touchscreen, controls all the boat. You have a camera in the bow. So one nice way to set it up is to have that screen or a screen on that camera at all times. Gives you great view. You have Mercury vessel view, Mercury joystick piloting. You have your redundant switches up top here. We also have the sunroof open, which is a double function and an extended sunshade. Gets you a little more shade back in the cockpit area. As you see, this boat is equipped with the triple helm seat with the bolsters on all three seats. As we move over to the port side, we can step down in the cabin, and this is where the Scout 355 really differentiates itself from a lot of boats in this category. We'll step down below. First and foremost, you have air conditioning at the helm in the cabin. It's a 12-volt AC, so you don't need the generator. But you can easily overnight on this boat. Lots of space, table mounts here, flat screen TV. You have your toilet, sink, everything you need right here. So now we're going to check out the bow area of the 355. On our way up, you have the quick release fender clips. Really makes it nice to move the fenders from one side of the boat to the other. They just pop into place, very easy. As we move up into the bow area, you see you've got bolsters all the way around, grab handle all the way around. You have multiple storage boxes. You can use these as fish boxes, storage, coolers, both port and starboard. You also have storage here in the center seat where your swim ladder stores away. Lots of room there. And then, of course, the favorite place to sit is here. You've got a great support here, great lumbar support, little support for the backside of your legs. Armrests that fold down, and you're up high enough you see out of the boat, so it's a great view from here. You also have storage in the floor, very deep, lots of room for gear. Storage here as well. This boat is equipped with the deluxe audio package, so you have 8 speakers as well as 2 10-inch subs, so great audio sound. All the way forward is windlass with up-down controls. Right here at the windlass, nice finished out compartment. Very clean look, finished on the inside of the lid. Well, again, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.